Let's understand external systems in the settings section of Go Site Ready. This is where you list your third-party systems like payroll, training, and onboarding tools so you can then link them to companies, people, and their attainments. The win? Clean, consistent records across your whole site and easy one-click updates. Open the settings and head to External Systems. Here you can see some pre-populated external systems, but if there's any that you want to add, simply click the plus button and type in the name of the system and hit save. You can use the edit pencil to make any updates or the bin to remove any that you no longer require. Use the search function at the top to check for a system fast, and your list is available globally, so admins can link these systems to the company's people and their attainments later. So that's it, a tidy master list ready for consistent linking across your records. You've got this.